What is going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how I install my backup camera on my 2009 Dodge Charger. It's a little messy back here, but don't mind that. The way I installed my backup camera was I drilled a hole, I don't know if you can see it, a little bit bigger than a half of an inch in diameter. I ran my cables through the license plate light hole, pulled them through here. I grounded the camera on the hook for the trunk, and I hooked my video support up. I ran my hot lead to the white and light green wire for the backup lights. That wire engages the lights to come on, so also it engages my camera to come on every time that my car is put in reverse for my backup lights. Also, I ended up running the cable, the video support cable, up through the back seat. The way I did this was I removed the back seat, pull up on the back seat, back seat comes up, you remove the two bolts that hold the seat belts on in this back seat. There's one here and one here. I forgot what size they were. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's like 18 millimeter. Once you remove those bolts, you can pull the seat up a little bit to get clearance to run the wire through for the backup camera. I ran that wire through here, as you can see. And from there, it goes on up to down here. I know my car is really dirty. Wire goes under here. Then it is ran up underneath the dash to the back of the radio. Radio I have is a 8100 Pioneer. And just to show you everything works, I put the car in reverse, park, reverse, park, reverse, just to show you it works. A lot of people hook them up different. Some people like to turn their on, but I hook mine up with the reverse light. I figure it's more logical for the cameras to come on when you engage reverse. Thanks for watching. There'll be more videos on the way. Like and subscribe.